Hey, what's up? Here we are back at the Musician Swap Meet here in Mount Dora, Florida at Renninger's Flea Market. I thought we'd do a walkthrough. What's going on, man? You still have that Star Force guitar or you sold it?
I sold it.
Yeah, finally sold it. What is going on, man?
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing good. Same old, same old. Yeah, back again. What you got here? West Creek?
This is available online. You can get it online for $160. That's why I'm selling it for $80. For the money, it's actually a nice little guitar.
D'Angelico. Epiphone. GNL. Sterling. Music Man.
This is called Tequila Sunrise.
Yeah,
These reasons.
this Stratocaster, yeah. Epiphone SD.
I've been in business for myself now. The location I've been in for 24 years.
You got a store? What's the name of your business? Like if
Artisans, ARTISANS, Artisans Gallery.
okay,
Yeah, I've been there a long time. And I got a lot more guitars there than I have here.
just get what you can fit in the vehicle here. Let's see what we got here. Fender Telecaster with the Marzias in it. PRS SE. Squire, Samick, Taylor.
810 Taylor.
Yeah,
810.
Supro. It says the Supro is a reissue. Oh, we got a BC Rich here. Body Art Collector Edition. Looks like we got an Epiphone Les Paul, a Fender Stratocaster. Got a Jackson bass down there. I like this BC Rich, bro.
sagging boots into the other sagging boot.
I like it, I like it. This is March 2003, Deceiver. Epiphone SG. Looks like the George Washington Festival Series. 125 bucks. Hey, I'm good, man. These are some nice drum kits, man. So these are actually from the 70s. If I played drums, I'd definitely be interested. This one's cool.
Yeah, original head's still on them.
How's it going, man?
How you doing?
I'm good.
I watched the show on YouTube.
Oh yeah, nice.
I think that even made it on there last time.
Oh yeah, this Epiphone. Yeah, the Hank Coffey channel or whatever. Yeah. Is this a real ESP?
Yeah, my brother built it out of parts. ESP neck.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
I'm checking stuff out a little more this time.
He bought, put it together for parts.
Yeah.
And then he sold it. He moved to Georgia and he sold it. He regretted selling it. Well, about a year later, he found it on Reverb and bought it back.
And he's selling it again. Huh?
Yeah. I think it's titanium steel Floyd, Dave Mustaine pickup.
Yeah. I like it.
I think it's an old 80s ESP neck, and then I think the body's like a Kramer. It's a Kramer body.
Just out of curiosity, how much you want for
I
it?
think he's asking 12 for it.
1,200?
Yeah.
Here, I'll sit it back. Or do you want to put it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll let you put it back. Thanks for watching the channel and stuff. Yeah. Thank you for following the channel, man. I guess the channel's doing okay. We're approaching 10,000 subscribers. Really appreciate it, guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll try to keep doing videos like this. We got some speakers here, Celestians, Fender Stratocaster, 1994. There's another. Twin black Stratocasters. We have a Samick, Epiphone.
Well, the first experiments at a Ford Road.
Here's a Gibson.
2007 R&D.
Videos from the show. Your guys' videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
I watch your videos.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Good stuff.
Those videos are doing well. Like people are fascinated
You
with.
obviously put effort in it, so you should get
Yeah.
recognition for that.
Yeah, a lot of editing. Thanks for checking the channel out. Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing? It's going pretty good. Let's see. Hey, how you doing? Miscellaneous drum stuff. Cool, and some guitars. Cool. Some old acoustics here. A Lyra. Looks like a Yamaha Eggman. What years are a lot of these from? A lot of these are old, huh? 60s and 70s, huh? You can tell from the finishes on them, like the texture of the finishes. Is this your Marshall? Full stacks. Marshall stacks. Looks like there might be some custom cabs. We have some keyboards here. Here's a Chet Atkins Epiphone. Oh yeah, you want to get it?
I just came over to after the show, I went to go back and watch what you saw, but I didn't see.
Okay, gotcha, yeah.
Yeah, I gave you thumbs up.
Awesome, man. Lots of guitar parts here. Just like all of the other videos, man, they have guitar parts. Got to get away from the copyrighted music. You have an amp set up? Is that your amplifier?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I'll bring a strap next time too.
P90s are kind of spanky.
Yeah, that's what I like about them. They really get that snap to them.
You got some distortion on there?
Not too much onboard distortion here. I can't play like that. So now I can actually hear my instruments made. So you have your thumb up here. My thumb, as a bassist, is like really right in the back.
Yeah, it all depends on, like, I guess, what I'm playing. Nice meeting you guys.
Thank you.
All right.
Great first start.
Yeah.
Good luck with the channel.
Yeah. Thank you, man. Couple of harmonies here. Can I pick this guitar up? Okay.
So I
Excuse me.
tried to, and, I could, there's no phone number. All you can do is, an email. So now I'm actually thinking about making it because the holes are there, the original holes. So I took the specific. So I figured, and then I took
No, not particular, but
So now, all I can do is
I had one of these years ago that I broke. I got mad and broke it. So I've been kind of like looking for one to replace the one I broke. And the one I had was a 60s. It was real similar.
nice talking to you. What's your name?
No, this
Rick, nice to meet you.
these are like
Remind me of my old music.
cheap acoustics.
Got some great wood in it.
Looks like a
Somebody that wants to learn,
It's like a baseball neck cut in half. This thing is a beast.
It's so cool that these are like so old. It's like this. What I mean is like these have been around for a long time.
Yeah, most of them. You can pick them up for $50-$100, but you got to spend $400-$500 to fix them.
Yeah.
They need all these have had. This thing was completely disassembled here. This is all original. This is the pick guard's not right, and that's pick guard's not right, but this is all original. Tailpiece, bridge, tuners, everything. And
Even
it was,
the finish is original. On
oh
this
yeah,
too, right?
Oh yeah, the finish is all original.
Yeah, because
on them
it
and all
smells
that
like
stuff.
it's old. And,
Oh yeah. It's got the numbers inside. I think it's a 12, 14 model. One's a 15, one's a 14. Sunburst and then the natural.
Let me hold this one a second.
Yeah, this is a great one too, man.
Yeah.
This one plays nice too. And I love that fake finish on it. They did a really good job on that. You know, it's fake, but
Yeah,
it looks
yeah.
really cool. Of course, strings are old. But
Yeah.
I can't put new strings on every time I go to sell something. It gets old. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I was just saying on a live stream, it's like I did a restring on the guitar, and it's like I said that's why I don't like having a lot of guitars. 'Cause you got to maintain all of them.
Yeah.
So, I appreciate you letting me pick them up. Japanese wire.
No Squire, but
Yeah. Made in Japan. Yeah. Yeah. 80s.
It's 80, 6, 87, somewhere in there.
Yeah. The neck feels great on this.
I always liked it because it looks like Jimi Hendrix guitar.
Guitar synth. We have some acoustics, Daisy Rock, Harmony. We are back again. Billy Fender Custom Guitars. I'm gonna pick this S series up right here.
They don't look right.
He
It's not
designed
going
our
out there.
logo too.
Yeah.
This is a fresh build.
Okay.
It's got the Dragonfire quad rail in it. It's got a candy apple red headstock to match the body. Very beautiful guitar.
Nice.
That's actually an Epiphone bridge pickup. The neck pickups, the screws are on this side. So I turn it around. It's got a pretty unique sound to it. This guitar, $450. One of my favorites here.
Okay.
They call this the medieval axe. So it's got a chain for the binding, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's got studs all the way around. This one has locking tuners on it, and it's got the perloid buttons on it.
How much are you asking for that one?
500.
$500.
Where else can you get a custom guitar for that price?
Yeah.
There he is, right there.
Yeah.
The reason I'm here is because I watched you on YouTube, and you were so informative about everything.
Oh wow. That's
Thank
great.
you very much, and
You-
that brought me out here. Here's my wife.
Hello.
I made her move to the village.
Well, man, I'm glad you found the video. I'm liking
Oh,
it.
of course, it's great. So thank you very much. Good to meet you.
Yeah.
I'll see you all later.
Yeah, you guys have fun. I'm gonna pass through these guitars. I'm not talking very much this video, guys, because I have previous videos here which you should check out. They do have a lot of these guitars in those videos. If you want specifics on some of these guitars, I don't want you to have to dig through a back catalog or anything, but I go into a lot more detail on those videos. I really like this guitar right here, man.
This is a pre-lawsuit guitar. It's a 1972 Lotus. It's a Gibson Les Paul copy. Gibson sued these people so they wouldn't make the Les Paul anymore.
Yeah.
You can't, they're really hard to find. So this is, what, a 52-year-old guitar. It actually,
Wow.
somebody modified it and put coil tapping in it.
Yeah.
So, but I bought it online because I actually have another one of these at home I've had since I was 12 years old. So it's been around a while. I also have a Brendan Small Ghost Horse.
Okay. See what we got.
Comes with a Floyd Rose on it. It's a pretty killer guitar. That's called Galactica Gray.
Here's the robot Gibson guitar. The one that tunes itself. This is in a previous video as well. This guitar here is in the previous couple of videos. This one's great, man. Hey, what's going on, man?
How you doing?
I'm good. Hadn't seen you in a long time.
Yeah. They used to come out here every month. Now they don't have it about every 3 months.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Everybody here that says that they enjoyed the channel or enjoyed the previous videos, thank you so much. I'm kind of socially awkward sometimes, so you know who you are, all of you guys on camera saying you enjoyed the videos. That's going to do it for now. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you next time, okay? Take care.